All right. So again, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. No, so another topic for this financial market is all about the stock market. No, so we will discuss first about stock market in the global industry, and later our discussion naman is all about stock market in the Philippines. Okay. So what do you mean, class of stock market? No, as an overview of it. No, so we go back to our definitions. No, it's a source of financing, particularly in terms of equity, in terms of your uh, uh, common or ordinary shares, and also your preference shares. No, so last time our discussion is all about debt financing. No, so it serves as a source of financing for firms, in addition to your debt financing or your retained earnings or retained earnings financing. And also, it is to be traded in a secondary market. We go back again to our definitions of secondary market. It can be traded for the second time. Kaya nga secondary market, no? And with this, very important also class to remember, the stockholders is the legal owner, no? Particularly your ordinary shares or common stocks, no? Sila yung may-ari, no? 'Di ba? There are four kinds or four rights of common stockholder. Number one, right to receive dividends. Number two, right to be voted, no, in the board of directors. And number three, right to vote. And the last one is preference shares, right to purchase additional shares. So same also with this, no. So in this example, no, in our discussions for this, no, ano nga yung four again? Have the right to share in the firm's profit through your dividends. So parang yan yung distributions, no? And after which the payment of interest to a bondholders and taxes, and have also residual claims on the firm assets, and have a limited liability. Oh, ano to, class? What do you mean of a limited liability, 'di ba? Because a corporation is a legal and a separate legal entity. Ibig sabihin, it is based lang sa contributions mo, and separate yung corporation sa stockholder or the owner. Having said that, you have the limited liability and have, ulit-ulit lang, and have the voting rights or to be elected in the board of directors. Okay. So in the US, if you notice, no, napakalaki ng pera niya. Issuance by the US non-financial corporate business with a 76%, and hanggang 2018, dumiliit siya, no? With a 60%, and kasi lumalaki din yung rest of the world, no? Dati 9% lang. And now, you have an 18.8% or 18.6%. Again, we go back to our two types of corporate stocks, no? You have common or what you call ordinary shares, and we have preference shares or preferred stocks. All public corporation, if you are into initial public offering, you are issuing common stocks or ordinary shares, no? But few issue naman preference shares. Okay? So again, what is common stock? Again, it is now known as ordinary shares. Okay. So in terms ng in terms of the common or ordinary shares is the fundamental ownership claim in a public or a private corporation, and many characteristics differentiate it from the other types of the securities. And that would be you have discretionary dividends payment, okay? You have residual claims or status, you have limited liability, and also you have your voting rights. So lahat yan ay part of the rights of a common stockholder, okay, or ordinary shares. Again, ano nga yung dividends? Yun yung binibigay sa atin if you are the stockholder, pero yan ay discretionary and they are not guaranteed. They are not required. Ano nga yung sinasabi ko last time? Why they are not required or with this? Because in a corporation class, ang pinaka-focus natin is stock appreciation sa pagtaas ng market price of the stocks. Again, example ko lagi, yung Jollibee Food Corporation from 32.90, ngayon ay 217. Eh what if you have 1,000 shares? Yung pera mo ngayon ay 200,000 na. It is only a discretionary if you are talking here of dividends because dapat to increase the stock price in the stock market. Okay. So payment and the size of dividends are determined by the board of directors of the issuing firm. And dividends are twice tax, okay? May tax pa yung individual, may tax pa yung corporation, di ba? So that's basically the reason why there would be tax twice. Hindi siya double, hindi siya ano, hindi naman siya, it is legal, no? Okay. So it is to be taxed twice. Okay. Ito naman class yung ating formula on how to compute for the return on stockholders. So hopefully, you still remember this, no? The return to stockholder over a period of T1 is that RT is equals to PT minus P minus 1 divided by PT minus 1 plus DT, PT minus 1. So we're in, the PT is the stock price, and you have to divide it by the dividends over time. So T minus 1. That's why class, the PT minus PT minus 1 minus PT minus 1 is your capital gains over time. So ibig sabihin pala, ang formula niya ay capital gain over time minus return from dividends over time. Because the DT divided by PT minus 1 is the return from your dividends over time. No? So yun lang naman yung formula. Yan. So more on the formula ay nasa financial management natin. Okay. So again, residual claim for the common stockholders have the lowest priority claim in terms of bankruptcy. Bakit po? Sila po ang huling babayaran pag nalugi ang company. Unang-una, yung ating mga empleyado. Pangalawa, if we have utang. Pangatlo is our preference shares. Pinakahuli po ang ating common stockholder. Only after all senior claims are paid to a common stockholders entitled to what assets of the firm are left. Again, senior claims may be payment owed muna sa creditors such as the firm employees, bondholders, government taxes, and pinakahuli, the preference shareholders, tapos tayo. Kasi kaya tayo naman yung may-ari ng business. Residual claims features associated with your common stock. Okay? Common stock make it riskier than bonds that as investable. Okay. All right. So, with this, no, residual claims ang tinatawag natin, no? With this, okay? Next one. Limited liability. Class, ito yung ulit-ulit ko sinasabi, no? Limited liability. So, ibig sabihin, in terms of limited liability because of the legal and the separate. Okay? So, in terms of this, it implies that the common stockholder loses or are limited to the amount of the una, it would depends on your investment. Okay? And number two, because of the sole and the legal or the separate legal entity. Okay. So losses are limited to the amount of the original investment of the firm, and if the company's asset value falls to less than the value of the debt it owes. Okay. In contrast, sole proprietorship or partnership stock interest, okay, means the stockholders may be liable on the firm's debt out of their total private, no? So that's basically class, okay? Or the term or in terms of difficulties. Okay, class, voting rights, again, sila ay pwedeng maboto or ma-vote as board of directors or pwede din siyang bumoto, no? Common stockholders have the voting rights, no? Indirectly by exercising the voting rights in the election of the board of directors. Typically, the voting rights arrangement is so assigned 1 vote per share of the common stocks. Okay? Some firms are organized as dual class firms where 2 classes of the common stock are outstanding. Pwede maging cumulative voting, pwede naman maging straight voting. Okay, cumulative, it would depend on the stocks, while straight voting, it would depend on per packs. For me, to be fair, dapat based on the stocks. Okay? Yes. And also class, proxy votes. Ano yung proxy votes? Pwede po tayo magpa-proxy pag tayo po ay hindi makaka-attend. Most shareholders do not attend the annual meetings. And the proxy is a voting ballot sent by the corporation to its stockholders. Okay? So when returned to the issuing company, a proxy allows stockholders to vote by the absentee ballot or authorizes representative of the stockholders to vote on their behalf. So by 2010, virtually all the US firms were putting proxy statement online, and you can do it pala based on online. Pwede, no? Okay. What else? Preference shares. Sino naman yung preference shares? Sabi ko nga sa inyo class, in financial management, the voting, the preference shares ay parang utang. No? Kasi, ano bang ginagawa nila? No? They're just waiting for the dividends. Wala nang iba. Yeah? That's the role of the preference shares. No? And hybrid security that has characteristics of both bonds and common. Baka ako ipagalitan ng mga FAR. FAR, ano nyo, professor. In FAR, of course, it is part of equity. It is only on the financial management side lang. Okay? Yan. So, similar in the stocks at represents the ownership interest, but they're only pay for the fixed periodic dividend payment. And dividends are to be paid quarterly. No? And preference shares or stockholders generally do not have the voting rights. Yes. But most may be converted to a common stock at any time the investors may choose. So, anong tawag doon? Convertible stock. Okay, later, no? So, we will discuss more about it. Okay. There are also two types of preferred stocks, non-participating, and we have cumulative. Pag non-participating, it means dividend is fixed regardless of any increase or decrease in the issuing of the profit. Ibig sabihin, you cannot you cannot participate na after mabayaran yung ating common or ordinary shares. Pag participating naman, you have fixed payment at the same time kasali ka pa. No, it means actual dividends paid in any year may be greater than the promise. Kasi nga participating. Kasali ka pa sa mga susunod, no? Then also we have cumulative preferred stocks. It means that any missed dividends, dividend arrears, no, must be made up before any common stock dividends can be paid, while dividends non-cumulative do not go into arrears and are never paid up. Ano pa kakaiba nila? Cumulative preference, pag hindi nag-declare, since pandemic, halimbawa, you're also entitled pa for dividends. Pag non-cumulative, hindi nakasala. Okay? Yes. Alright, next one. Also is the primary stock market are markets in which corporations raise funds through new issue stocks. Ano nga tawag doon? Initial public offering. No? That would be in the primary stock market. Most primary markets transaction go through investment bank. Ano yung mga investment bank sa Pilipinas? Of course, we have BPI. BPI Trade ang tawag doon. We have Metrobank, Metrosec, and we have, ako naman ay BDO Securities, no? So, BDO Nomura yan dati. So, yung investment bank natin, sila yung magpapacilitate. And we have GCash, di ba? And so, with this, as part of the investment bank, it can conduct the primary sale during or either the firm commitment or the best effort, no? Or underwriting basis. So, in the firm, particularly for the commitment underwriting, the investment bank guarantees the corporations a price for a newly issued securities. Okay? So best effort underwriting naman when the underwriter does not guarantee a price to the issuer. Okay? Ito naman, mga terms ng to class, ha? Definitions of term syndicate, mga sindikato. Hindi. Group of investment banks working in a concert to sell and distribute the news. So, sila yung mga group of investment bank. It is known as syndicate. The lead banks in the syndicate is known as originating house. Yes. So, lead banks in the syndicate is known as syndicate. Okay. Alright, so primary market. So ito class yung kanilang stock, no? So, investment bank, so stocks and also investment. Okay? Yan. So, in terms of the investment bank, uh, especially if the issuing corporation, all right, and also stocks naman in terms of investors. Okay, so yan yung mga funds natin. So particularly for the primary market, no? So investment bank and investors, okay? Investment bank is the parang third party, okay? Next one. Ito yung mga sample lang ha. Primary stock market. Uh, in terms of initial public offering, okay? IPO, no, is the first public issue of a financial security or instrument by a firm. And then a seasoned offering is a sale of additional securities by a firm whose securities are currently traded. Okay? So initial public offering, you have IPO, no? First time to issue. Seasoned offering naman, yung matagal na. Is the sale of additional securities by a firm whose securities are currently publicly traded. And also, we have preemptive rights. It gives existing stockholders the ability to maintain the proportional ownership. And we have registration of a stock can be lengthy in process. The red herring prospectus is the preliminary version of the prospectus that describes a new security issue. And we have shelf registration naman. Medyo matagal to. Yung red herring, ito lang yan. The red herring is medyo mabilis, no? It takes 1 to 20 days. Decide to issue, registration, red herring prospectus, SEC, official, and shares to public. But in terms of the shelf registration, medyo matagal. No? It took 2 years pa. No? So maybe because of it is part of the investing in public. Yan ang klase ng pagkakaiba ng dalawa ha. Okay, next one. So, in terms naman of secondary market, ito naman yung market in which stocks is already issued. Once issued, they can be traded in the secondary market through stocks, di ba? So, with this, in secondary market, market transactions funds are exchanged usually with the help of a securities broker or firm acting as an intermediary between buyer and the seller of the stocks. So, original issuer of the stock is not involved in this transfer of funds. Kasi nga, secondary market na siya. Na-issued na siya, class. Okay. So, again, in the US, so as discussed last time, we have what you call new stock, NYSE, Euronext, and we have NASDAQ. Mamaya, we will discuss the difference between the two. Ano pagkakaiba ng New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ? Okay, sige. Sa dalawa yun, ha? Okay. Worldwide, the NYSE is the most well-known of all the organized exchanges. Okay? Exchange was created by the merger of the NYSE and the Euronext. Kaya ngayon ay tinatawag na NYSE Euronext, no? On April 4 of 2007. And the world leader for listing, trading, and cash equities, equity and interest rate derivatives, bonds, and other distributions of market data. It was the first to create the global stock market. So sila pala yung pinakauna, no? Na global market in the world. Okay? In the global. Okay? And nakipag-partner sila sa Euronext, no? All transactions in the NYSE occur at a specific place on the floor of exchange. Ano tawag doon? Trading post, no? And each stock is assigned a special market maker known as specialist. Okay. So, sino ba si specialist? Specialists often organize themselves a firm due to a large amount of capital needed to serve as the market making function. So, ano naman yung role naman nila, no? So, role nila, is that as part of the specialist, no? So sila yung ano, sila yung part no ng particularly for or to organize no particularly for the stock market. Yan. So there are three types of transactions. Okay? So anong broker on behalf of a customer, or you have market price, no? And also we have limit, no? So ano naman yung limit natin, no? So yung limit natin, yan yung, 'di ba, pag tayo ay bumibili ng stocks, may mga limit 'yon, no? So brokers trade on behalf of a customer at the market price or market order. We have also your limit orders are left with specialists to be executed, and also we have specialist transactions at their own account. Yan. So, yan yung mga three types, no, ng ating trading process, no. All right, what else? So, trading process sent to a brokers, and there are two types of it. A market order is an order or to transact at the best price available. And sabi ko nga kanina, there would be a limit order. Hindi po tayo, ano tayo, may mga limitations tayo, particularly for the trading process, no? Alright. So, program trading naman. So, ano yung mga program trading natin? Is a simultaneous buying and selling of a portfolio of at least 15 different stocks valued at more than 1 million using your computer program. Okay. So there would be a computer program, no? Criticized for impact of the stock's market price and increase in terms of volatility. And with this, the NYSE introduced circuit breakers which serve as the trading curbs to account for the increase in volatility. Okay. Yan. So yan yung mga terms lang to, no? So circuit breakers are imposed hot in trading that gives buyers and sellers time to assimilate incoming information. So, ibig sabihin, class, ano tayo, para malaman natin kung, no, particularly kung tayo ay mag-stop or tayo ay go pa rin, no? So, that's basically, no, part of yun nga, circuit breaker na tinatawag natin. Okay? So, you have also your limit up and limit down. So, ano naman yung limit up and limit down, no? Rules hot trading on the individual stocks if the stock price moves outside the following price. So, how do we compute for this? The price band, sorry, limit up, limit down. No? The price band is equals to reference price plus or minus reference price to be multiplied by the percentage parameter. So that's basically no how you will be able to compute no particularly for the price band na tinatawag natin. Okay. Ito lang yung class yung halt natin. Circuit breakers, no? 15 minimum halt and no halt. And we have 15 minimum halt and no halt. So yan. Alright, so that's basically the circuit breakers na tinatawag natin. Okay, so parang ano na siya, parang in-stop mo lang. Okay, so you have flash trading, and also we have naked access, and we have dark pools of liquidity. So in terms of flash trading is a practice in which for a fee, traders are allowed to see incoming buy or sell orders milliseconds earlier than general market traders. Okay? So again, ito yung mga terms lang to ha. Okay? So it's a practice in which for a fee, traders are allowed to see incoming buy or sell orders. Naked access naman, ito yung mga illegal or mga controversial, no? It allows some traders to rapidly buy and sell stocks directly on exchanges using brokers' computer without exchanges or regulators. So, kaya nga ito ay banned. Kasi nga walang regulation, yan ay hindi pwede. Okay? And we have also your dark pools of liquidity. Ano naman yung dark pools of liquidity? Are trading networks that provides liquidity but do not display trades, no, to the order books. Yan. So particularly in 2013, SEC naman, okay na naman to. It approves a plan for a new rules requiring dark pools, no? Yan. So dark pools to disclose and detail as long as dapat ayan ay may detalye, no? So okay lang naman 'yan, no? As long as there would be a details on their platforms. Okay, next one. So in the US stock gainers, so ito yung pinakamalaki, no? As part of the stock gainers, if you notice the Transworld, the gainer, with the 50.86. Although maliit lang naman yung volume niya, pero siya yung pinaka-gainers, followed by uh, followed by Celldex Therapeutics. We have Docomon Incorporated. We have Eldorado Corp. No? So yan lang yan. No? So yan yung sa US market natin. Okay. So, yan. Nasdaq and the OTC market naman. So, ano naman yung Nasdaq and OTC market? So, securities not sold in one of the organized exchanges known as the NYSE ay pwede mong i-trade over the counter through the OTC or the over the counter. So, OTC market do not have the physical trading floor. Rather than transactions are completed via electronic. Class and ay via electronic. So, parang online, no? So, para siyang online na you can trade it, okay, through online. So, with this, Nasdaq was the world first electronic stock market. And it is the primary dealer market where dealers are the market maker who stand ready to buy or sell particular securities. And in contrast to the NYSE, Nasdaq is the negotiated market was quote from several dealers. And also we have small order transactions provide automatic order executions for individual traders with the orders of less than equal to 1,000. So there would be a limit, okay, na tinatawag natin. Okay. Yan. Nasdaq and OTC market. So, anong pagkakaiba ng Nasdaq and OTC market? Securities that sold uh, on one of the organized exchanges are traded over the counter. Yan. So, OTC do not have physical trading floor rather than are completed via electronic market. So, para siyang the first word electronic stock market. Okay? So, yan yung ating Nasdaq na tinatawag. So, primarily a dealer where dealers is particularly for it, no? So, in contrast to the NYSE, Nasdaq is a negotiated price, no? So, negotiated market or quotes from several dealers are usually obtained before transactions is made. So there will also be what you call small order execution system. It provides automatic order execution for the individual traders of less than equal to 1,000. So, yan yung mga yan yung mga Nasdaq natin na tinatawag. Okay. Choice of market listing. So, how do we choose, no? Particularly for choosing, no? Okay. So, number one, pag NYSE ka, medyo mahirap lang. Requirements are extensive. Reason, siyempre, attractive to a firm. Pag NYSE ka, parang you have di ba? Pag NYSE ka, mayroon kang bragging rights. Nasa NYSE ako, no? Why? To improve marketability of the firm stocks. Publicity of the firm. Sisikat ka. Di ba? Improve access also, no? To the financial market. Yan. Class, if the firm do not meet the requirement for NYSE Euronext exchange listing trades on a Nasdaq. So, pwede ka na pumunta sa Nasdaq pag hindi ka na-approve sa NYSE. Because most Nasdaq daw, firms are smaller, of regional interest, or unable to meet the requirements, no, in the organized exchanges over time. Okay? And also, over the time, main and Nasdaq firm applies to the NYSE. Okay. Yan. So, to the NYSE. Okay. Yan. So, that's basically uh, a part of the market exchange. Okay. All right. So, electronic and communications and online trading. So, major stocks, anong oras ba sila? So, yan ay 9:30 until 4 o'clock. So, later naman sa Pilipinas, malalaman nyo, sa Pilipinas ba anong oras? So, later yan, ha? Alright. So, extended hours, trading involves securities, no, that occurs outside the regular trading hours. So, most extended hours naman is processed through computerized alternative trading system known as electronic communication. And the ECN are computerized system that automatically match the orders and serve as the alternative to the trading market. Ayan. So, yan yung mga part, no? Ayan. Alright. We have also here what you call stock market indexes. So, ano naman yung stock market indexes? Okay? So, ito naman ay index ng kanya-kanya nating ano ha. So, Dow Jones, Industrial, alright, reported in the stock market index, no? Yun yung first 30. Okay. So, yan. So, yan yung ating first 30, no? We have NYSE composite index. So, particularly for, yun nga, for NYSE, no? So, includes all NYSE listed common. And S&P index naman, yan naman yung ating yan naman yung ating first 500 of the largest corporation. And also we have Nasdaq. Okay? Nasdaq is you have stock traded, no? Okay? Yun. Our industries, banks, and insurance companies. Okay. So, stock market indexes, Wilshire 5,000, no? Broad stock market index contains the most accurate reflection of the overall stock market. And it contains also firm stock that meets three criteria. You have the firm is headquartered in the US. Stock is actively traded in the US-based stock market. And the stock has widely available price. Yan. So, yan yung mga part, ha? Okay? So, yan. Value-weighted average. Okay? Sino naman yung mga participants natin? Okay? So, sino yung ating mga participants na for the stock market? All right. So, of course, the holders of this is that, okay, from 1994 through 2019. Yan. So, households are the single largest holders with a 38%, followed by the mutual funds and foreign investors, and with a 23.5, and household indirect. So, they're the one who will invest, no? Yeah. And the US stock ownership rates are highly related to income on also vary by age. Okay? So, on the average, 32% US adults age 30 to 64, no? Stocks compared with 31%. So, sila yung mga part, no? Ng ating participants. Sa US to, ha? Okay. And other issues naman, of course, stock market index might be used to forecast your future activity. Siyempre, para malaman natin kung maganda ba yung ating business, no, in the long run. Okay? Yan. Then, stock price are ones of the 10 variables included in the index, okay, in terms of the Federal Reserve System. Other issues, We have market efficiency. It refers to the speed in which financial security prices reflect the unexpected news. So ito yung mga terms ng baklas ha. We have what you call weak. From market efficiency, we have strong, semi-strong form, and strong form. No? So weak form market efficiency concludes investors cannot make more than fair required return using information based on the historic price. No? So empirical suggests that the markets are weak form efficient. And we have also, according to semi-strong form market efficiency, cannot make more than the air or required return by a trading market. Okay? So yan naman. So you have also here uh, financial markets have generally been found to immediately reflect information from news announcement. So yan yung semi-strong. And we have strong form market efficiency. Ano naman to? Ito naman ay, it means that the stock prices fully reflect all the information about the firms, both public and a private. So with this, implies that there's no set of information that allows investors to make more than fair, okay, or required rate of return of the stocks. So, yan yung ating strong form, no? Other issues naman or stock market regulation is more emphasis on the SEC, okay, on a full and fair disclosures. And we have also here what you call, yun nga, ito yung mga Securities Act, no, na nasa US. Okay? So, ano yun? Okay? So, you have Securities Act of 33. So, but again, it is basically the US talaga, no? SEC talaga, sorry. SEC talaga yung uh, particularly part of the stock market, no? SEC yung nagbibigay, no, ng informations. SEC talaga yung nagre-regulate sa US. And with this, no, we have Act of 33, 34, no, wherein the SEC will be the main agency, no, responsible for the oversight of the stock market, no. Sarbanes-Oxley Act naman, pass on, of course, ito yung nangyari sa, di ba, nangyari sa US, no, during the Enron scandal, no. It created an independent auditing oversight under the SEC to increase penalties for corporate wrongdoings, force faster and penalties for corporate wrongdoers, force faster and more extensive disclosure. No? So yan yung pinaka-word dyan. Disclosure and avenue for the recourse of the aggrieved shareholders. So dapat, ano yun? Dapat may full disclosures tayo. No? Ano pa? We have also here SEC has delegated certain regulatory responsibilities to the market, no, with the NYSE or NASDAQ. Okay, so in this matter, we have also here what you call Financial Industry Regulatory Authority or FINRA is the largest independent regulatory for all securities firm doing business in the Philippines. Okay, so formed in 2007 and it oversees the aspect of the business. And we have also here Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act of 2010. So ano naman ito? So ito naman ay in particular, no? Give the SEC and the other regulators new power to oversee the operations in the stock market. So, siyang bahala dyan, no? Particularly for, parang binigyan lang ng SEC or SEC, no? Ng kapangyarihan. Okay? For that, no? Okay. Next one. So, also, international aspect to the stock market. US stock market are the world largest. Pinakamalaki, no? European market grew in importance during 2000 as a result of implementing the euro or common currency in 2022. No? And we have here international stock market are attractive, particularly for as part of to eliminate the stocks. No? And also we have international diversification. Okay, can also introduce risk in the following matters. So we have information about foreign stocks, okay, foreign exchange also, and also we have political sovereign risk. Okay? So yan yung part no uh, na part no of the international aspect of the stock market. Okay. So in the US, if you notice, no, lumalaki pa rin yung US, no? And emerging market. So if you notice, US from 34.9 to 49.5 to 35.8, 39.7. So at least lumalaki na. Ang lumalaki, yung Asia Pacific. Why? Because of China, no? Because of Philippines ba? China. Middle East din, no? Kaya lumalaki yung ating stock market. And with this, no? So American Depository Receipt naman, if you have this ADR, ibig sabihin, you have stock certificate coming from the US. So ADR is a certificate that represents ownership of a foreign stocks. Okay? And the three main types of ADR issuance is that you have level 1. ADR are the most common and most basic of ADR. So level 1 yung okay. Pangalawa is level 2 ADR naman can be listed in the major stock exchange, no? But they have more regulatory requirement than level 1. And also, we have level 3 ADR represents the most respective ADR. O, pinaka-okay pala sa lahat ay yung level 3. Yes. So, level 3 yung pinaka-okay, no? Particularly for, yun nga, for the American Depository Receipts. Okay. And sa US class, if you notice, ano yung pinakamalaki? No? So, currency or impact of it. No? So, in the US, so Bovespa is 1, followed by S&P. Then we have SSE, Euronext, SP, and BSE. No? So, yan yung part, no, or particularly for the impact of it, no, in a foreign currency. Okay. I think we are finished already, no, with the stock market, no, in the US. So next video, I will discuss about the stock market in the Philippines. No? So again, thank you very much and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.